Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Jian Township in Hualien County is home to many people from the Ami indigenous Taiwanese tribe. The Ami named the place Jikashuan, meaning a place with lots of firewood. 60 years ago, the township was renamed Jian. Today, Jian Township is home to Hualien's most significant Hakka population.
花莲县吉安乡旧名芝卡轩，阿美族语意为木柴很多的地方。在日据时代更名吉野，民国37年改名为吉安。吉安乡的客家人口比例是全花莲之冠，大都集中在永兴、稻香村、草份、南埔、南华等聚落。
Hi, welcome everybody. It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. Hey, you know, Leo, I love Eastern Taiwan. The scenery is so beautiful. So is there any place we can check out while we're over there? 台湾的东部有没有什么地方我们可以去走一走啊？
要啊，當到位數啊，你見邊就到花蓮縣嘅吉安鄉嘅片去了。
也要帶我們去花蓮是不是？
是花蓮縣的吉安鄉吉安鄉。
吉安鄉。Okay, so we're going to go to Jian Township in Hualien County. And what can we check out while we're down there?
吉安鄉係有當到客家人，嗰所嘅片有一隻當有日本風格嘅隻位數很多輕小岩。
輕小岩。
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 对，它是一个日本式的建筑的寺庙。
Okay, so there's a lot of Hakka people in Jian, and there's a very famous Japanese-style architecture temple. That must be interesting. Anything else that we can check out?
那外还有岩楼文化馆。
岩楼，这是岩楼文化馆，是不是？
对对，岩楼文化馆，岩楼文化馆。
岩楼文化馆。
其实烟楼在客家地区其实蛮多的，包括像南部的美浓地区也有很多的烟楼。
Okay, so in the past, a lot of tobacco was grown in the Hakka community, 所以以前有种很多这个烟草，是不是？
我知道。
那我们看那么多的有趣的地方，总是要吃一些东西吧？
也当然啦。花蓮水果檔度有個菜嘛當鐵樹哦，先落小嘅就係快菜。
快菜。
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 就是韭菜。
So we're in Hualien, we're going to check out some of the food we can eat, and of course, one of the first things you just mentioned is we can have the leeks, the 韭菜. Anything else?
那外還有一種就會甜椒，就是甜椒。
甜椒。
甜椒。
甜椒. Okay, well, I like that a lot. Well, that sounds like a very good start for our visit to Hualien. That's it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Tim Berge.
我係 Leo， 什麼大家按自己張來了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.